Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm really excited to introduce this little fruit to you. It's called Spanish lime in English. This fruit I grew up eating. It's called Mamoncillo in Cuba, and it's found throughout the rest of the Caribbean island, and they go by different names. I'm not sure what it's called in a lot of countries, but you guys can let me know. It also is very beneficial to the body, and it helps in these areas right here and more. Hola mis cariños, le presento una rica fruta. Se llama Mamoncillos en Cuba. ¿Cómo se llama esta fruta en tu país? Esta fruta es jugosa, dulce y un poquito amarga. Esta fruta es beneficiosa para el cuerpo. Crecí comiendo esta rica fruta en Nueva York. Le dicen quenepas. Los puertorriqueños le dicen quenepas. Y en República Dominicana le dicen lemoncillos. I remember growing up eating this fruit, and I used to love it. I remember my mother bringing this little green fruit, and I used to love opening because it had an orange surprise in it, and it tasted so sweet. It was sweet and lemony at the same time. It was delicious. If you ever see these at a fruit stand, buy a bunch and just tell me what you think about it. Well, guys, I want to thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.